Hello and welcome to my Tableau training course. My name is Jed Guinzo and I will be your trainer. I'm very excited for you to join me on this journey. I absolutely love Tableau. A lot of softwares I use, I like them and I have to use them for work, but Tableau is one of those products that are just it's like a toy. It's so much fun to use and it's solved so many problems over the last couple of years in the industry of really opening up analytics to everybody. In the past, it used to be, you'd have to have background knowledge of programming, or you'd have to know some sort of visualization or data analytics training or something like that. With Tableau, anyone can use it. And I've seen really young people who've used it, who've never yet touched computers before, to 70-year-olds who've never touched computers before. I currently work in a manufacturing company, and we see a lot of people who have been on the manufacturing line suddenly using BI. So, I mean, this is simply unheard of several years or decades ago. And this is why I love the technology so much. So, I'm going to quickly just talk about the course structure, what you're in for, what I plan to deliver. If you've taken some of my other courses, you'll realize that I like to do a quick start guide so that you can get working with it straight away. You don't have to take the full beginner, intermediate, expert. You take the quick 30-minute accelerated program, and that lets you do the basics straight away, and you'll get a quick ROI, a return on investment, just on that alone, because you can do so much with just those basics. Then when you want to go further, then you can take beginner and then intermediate, expert. After that, we'll be going into some of the additional Tableau products, things like Tableau Online, Tableau Server, Tableau Prep. We'll be also looking at bonus lessons, things like best practices for data visualization, deep dive analysis. What else is there? BI implementation. We'll also do discussions of the BI landscape. What is BI like in 2019? Right? Where does Tableau fit in? Where does your organization fit in? So a lot of things to cover, and I'm very excited. So we're going to start with where is Tableau? Okay, there is a huge selection of business intelligence tools, right? And the definition business intelligence, it's quite broad, so I won't get into that, but really it's tools that are beyond Excel, right? You can do a lot more things. You can do, a bit more predictive analysis on, maybe not predictive analysis, but more data visualization, and a lot easier to do that, right? So let's go have a look at where it falls in. So the where is it? Magic Quadrant, right? Produced by Gartner. It's a very well respected company that do the analysis of a lot of BI tools, seeing where they all fit in. And you'll see this graphic, right? And this is the Magic Quadrant. It's called that because there's 4 quadrants, right? This one looks at the ability to execute. This one looks at the completeness of vision. So basically, if you're closer to this area right here, the better your product. And you'll see Tableau is right there. So the question is, why am I using Tableau and not Microsoft? Well, I'm working in an industry where people don't have background data knowledge. Even using Excel's basic operations, they struggle with, right? Through no fault of their own. The industry has moved fast. My problem with Microsoft and their tool, which is called Microsoft Power BI, right, which is this one right here, looks very similar. It's the way it operates in that it's a bit clunky. It's very Excel, Microsoft Officey. It's not as intuitive, so it's a little bit harder to learn. The learning curve is a lot steeper, and user acceptance is a lot harder to get, especially when you're trying to roll it out. With Tableau, because it's drag and drop, everything is very intuitive. It's a nice flow. So I play guitar. It's got a very nice rhythm to it, and when you see it, it's like a dance. It's like choreography. It's just so smooth. There's other tools as well. So ClickView I've used as well. Salesforce is more like a CRM, customer relationship management tool. So you're really looking at like Tableau, Click, ThoughtSpot. I think MicroStrategy have some. Domo is kind of a bit lower. Oracle, you should have, yep, SAP, SAS, and all that. So you see Tableau's very high up, right? And this is actually, in my opinion, going to get even higher because of the recent buyout of, not buyout, but purchasing of Tableau by Salesforce. So Salesforce, this company right here, a massive CRM, number 1 in the whole planet, has bought Tableau for 15, almost $16 billion. So the innovation that's going to be coming out of Tableau in the next year is going to be enormous, right? It's going to be massive. And that's why I love Tableau. And that's why I'm teaching it today. So that's a quick introduction. I hope you are interested, you're loving it, you're excited. Let's do this thing.